On this week's edition of Brown, we have a TAT spinner. This one normally has a nipple. However, when I got this one, had a 4-inch fitter on it, decided, let's keep it that way. I got 2 of these out of the same house, both with lights on them, along with an ornate SMC A52, brown anti-brass, and a silly Emperor Flush SMC. So, but yeah, this thing, cast iron motor, has those kind of devil horn-esque kind of blade irons. Of course, the glass I decided to use is floral, because why the hell not? And there's your nice badge. See if I can find the actual... Nope. There be it. Ah, there be it, where I cannot really see it too well. Of course. Always has to hide from me. So, this one, because neither of these had controls, I thought, you know what? Let's use it with FanSync. Especially because it's a nippled fan with a light. Yeah, see? Yeah, FanSync. So, we're gonna start it on low speed. Put the light on. Gotta turn it down just a little bit. There we go. The bulb I have in the light doesn't dim particularly well. It's kind of one of those whatever sort of things. So this is low speed. Again, the motor is cast iron. For whatever reason, these cast iron TATs on low speed require a rather high capacitor value. The same goes with the choke controls. It requires, you know, very high capacitance. I tried using a 36-inch cast TAT industrial with a choke that I had from an air-cool made Caribbean Breeze thing. Barely wanted to spin on it. Almost stalled out on low. As you see here, low speed is aesthetic. This is a nice aesthetic low speed. This is a 48-inch fan. A 56-inch, if I ever find one, whether it be industrial or residential form, would probably stall out with whatever the capacitor value is in the FanSync receiver. So, I'm thinking it's 5 microfarad. I could be off. But either way, it is slow. But I like it. I like it slow. Now, let's put it to medium. Medium speed is actually a normal medium speed. It's not super fast or anything. It's actually reasonable. Kind of like your average, I'd say, the speeds in this are sort of Casablanca-esque. The low speed is an aesthetic low. The medium speed is a functional medium, but not overly fast. Like, it's slightly below average when it comes to speed. Pretty quiet too. Now, am I gonna focus? Let's do high speed. Yeah, that jump was because there was no bushing in the yoke, because I guess it crumbled away. So it's just hanging loose, loosey goosey. So yeah, all these residential spinners made in the late 70s, early 80s. Again, they were all basic. They're based on industrials, so high speed, low torque. So it runs a bit fast with limited pitch. If I had to guess, I haven't measured it. If I had to guess, I'd say the pitch is probably around 11 degrees. Wobble is minimal. Of course, the globe shimmies a little bit, but you know, whatever. Not the worst thing. Performance is average for an industrial, for a resi industrial sort of fan like this. It's average. Gets the job done for a 48-inch. Something particular. It's not super spectacular or anything. Not like an SMC, but you know, not bad. Not bad at all. Turn the light back off. You can see the floral pattern a little more. Now, oddly enough, these TATs came with either teak blades or dark walnut. Yeah, this one's dark walnut. I think it looks better. I mean, they also came with cane blades for some other labels with square bottom blades. But, I mean, yeah, let it coast now. I like these best with dark walnut. So yeah, performance with the FanSync receiver is actually very, very good. Very even. Very, very spot on average. Just what I want to see when it comes to speed range. Perfect. So, how it will do with a 56-inch is yet to be seen, but I'm not expecting anything particularly good from it. Because if the 36-inch and 48 both need high values to start on low, I can only assume a 56 will just straight up stall with the receiver. Don't know what it is, but all of them require high values. And there you have it. A TAT 48-inch cast iron spinner with added light kit.